I think it's very important to have events like FIGGI because it's important to get everybody's insight on what they feel about sports, especially athletes and administrators, because that will build a bridge in terms of having a more cohesive environment for sports to thrive. The Indian shooting has been having quite a few glorious years, and it's the amount of effort and hard work that the kids have put in that have culminated results eventually. I think we all look for immediate gains, but we need to focus on long-term goals because sports is a long-term association, and it takes a long time in order to a lot of hard work and time and experience to get that one medal. So just have patience, and Indian shooting has a lot more to offer in the next many Olympics.
Yes.
The administrators there should be at least like what Australia is doing, at least having a 40% attendance of women administrators in order to have a more balanced view of sport, because now as we see we have as many girls as boys who started to participate, considering the way we are performing internationally. So if we have enough athletes, then we also need to have enough women administrators on the board in order to support them. Always bright. It's going to be always bright.
Right. And any word on when you can be back on the field?
Hopefully by Jan. I broke my ankle in September this year, so I'm just waiting for that to heal, and then you'll see me back in action.